Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and I have today's doll is Pineapple Princess I'm sharing with you today. She was released in July of 2017, and she's one of the few dolls that I pre-ordered immediately when I saw her renderings. I just knew she was up my alley. She has tan skin, and not only is it a mocha skin tone, but it's translucent, and very few of the tan dolls have translucent skin. I'm trying to remember who else does. I think Elegant Ellie does. If you know of anybody other than Elegant Ellie, let me know in the comments. So, of course, she has brown hair, and the color's pretty nice, but I will say, and I'll put a link to her original unboxing down in the description of this video, she had the worst hair out of the box I've ever experienced in my entire life for any doll known to mankind. And I have given her many spas. I was probably have given her maybe 4 spas, and it's gotten better, a lot better. It's still kind of dry on the ends, but yeah, when I took the plastic out of her hair, it was just a knotted mass of, I can't even, okay. So she has all regular eye chips except for one special eye chip, which are green front facing. So here's her standard stock side green. Here are the front green, stock blue, and the stock pink. She's super cute. She's actually, a lot of people unfortunately have customized her, which is sad for me. Don't like it when they do that. And she came with these, of course, these earrings. She has pierced ears, no manicure. I'm trying to remember what her stock was other than this shirt and these pants, which are super tight. She cannot wear any panties underneath these. They are quite form-fitting. She had a pink dress on that's really cute. Somebody's wearing that right now. Oh, I know. I have it on another doll. I have it on Roxy Baby on my shelf. And yeah, yellow sunglasses and some cute shoes. Today, I'm going to change her out of this outfit. I've got this really cute sweater I got from somebody on Etsy years ago. And these jeans, I'm trying to remember, these were also from somebody on Etsy. Look how nice these are. These only fit the stock dolls, okay? And then I have a couple of choices of shoes here. These, if I remember correctly, are kind of big on these dolls. These came from a Creatable World fashion pack a while back, and they fit the jointed dolls fine, but I think the original Blythe dolls they might be big on, but we'll see if she can handle them. Or these would be cute too. So yes, so let's see. So like I said, this is a doll that when I saw her, man, I just fell in love with her. But her hair is really problematic. I mean, I've seen people do spas on her, and it just never really got better.
The clouds are on fire with the first light of the day. The birds climb ever high, and on the blue they sail away. It was meant to be like this. Everything at peace, a new world full of hope, a promise whispered on the breeze. But we're groaning here below, too familiar with the sound. The teardrop on your cheek reflects a world left upside down.
I went with the tennis shoes because with these I was able to give her socks, and now I can pick her up and they're not going to come off. The other shoes, when I put those sandals on, even though I love those things, you cannot even see her toes. You couldn't even see her toes. So I was like, yeah, forget it. She looks so cute in this outfit. I put her blue chips on, her blue eye chips. I love this sweater. I don't think this person is making Blythe sweaters anymore from what I remember. So yeah, I really like her. She's gonna stay. I will say I did consider it for a few minutes because, like I said, she has some of the worst hair ever. But it's not too bad. Honestly, if I probably spent some time and trimmed the ends a little bit, it wouldn't be too bad. The ends are very dry. I just put some doll hair conditioner on it and brushed it out a little bit, and that definitely seems to help. But let me know, you guys, what you think in the comments down below. Have you ever had a doll that had just horrific hair no matter what you did? Anybody out there have Pineapple Princess, by the way? I know she was a pretty popular doll, and I think she still is. All right, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and spending a little bit of dolly time with me. Please become a subscriber to this channel if you're not already, and give this a thumbs up. Bye-bye.